Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and look what I have. I have a Diamond Art Club, and it is a sneak peek. Yes, it is. So this sneak peek will be for tomorrow, and it will be available for Diamond and Ruby members at 12 Eastern Standard Time or 9 Pacific Standard Time for about 30 minutes. And then after that 30 minutes, it will be open to the general public to purchase. So, what do we have? Well, we have plastic that does not want to come off. There we go. All right, this one's exciting, folks. This one's exciting. All right, let me just say, he's back. Still can't get the plastic off. All right, he's back. And this one's exciting because look at our box. Pink strip means round. It's a round drill diamond painting. Here's all of your instructions, contents, information about a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. And we're going to get into this. A round drill. And when I say he's back, you already know who I'm talking about, because you've already probably seen it sneak peeked on Instagram or on Diamond Art Club's Facebook page. So let's get into it. I'm excited to see this one. It's going to be a beauty. A beauty. It's one that many people have asked about. All right. Toolkit. Toolkit. Diamond Art Club toolkit. All right. We'll show you. We'll show you the goods. Pen. Blue pen. Blue squishy. Hang on. Hold on to the baggies. We got baggies, folks. We got baggies. Lots and lots of baggies. Are there enough there for every color? I don't know. Do you want to count them? You can count them. We have our squishy, heart wax, our tray, our boat, and our four-placer. I love those. They're my favorite. Okay? Let's set this aside. That's what you'll need to diamond paint right there. Okay? All right. Here it is. Are you ready? Bam. It is a Chuck Pinson called Cape Cod Afternoon. It's a nice size. It's a 56 by 71 centimeter. It's a round drill. It is a picture that people have been asking about for a long time. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's get into it. I'm saving these to put into my logbook. I am keeping a logbook. I have all the pictures. I don't have them all in the logbook yet, but nice project for a rainy afternoon. All right, here we go. Let's get into it. The nice soft back canvas. Ooh, guess what? This one is soft again, real soft again. There was a time where something was going on at the factory and they weren't leaving it on long enough or something, and it wasn't quite as soft. We're back. We got the nice soft plushy canvas. All right, serged edges so it won't fray. Keeps everything nice and neat. It is poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so we can get everything out of the inside. And look at this beauty. It's going to be beautiful. You know it is. It's going to be beautiful. All right. And there's all the goods that are inside. There we have it. Okay. So here's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. Look at those colors. All right. Here is an instruction booklet. Tips and tricks are in here. There is a code in here for your next purchase to save some money. If you have never purchased from Diamond Art Club before and you would like to save a few dollars, I have a code, Mindy15. It would save you 15% on your first purchase. So if you're new to Diamond Art Club, there's a code for you, Mindy15. And then after that, there are codes everywhere. In your box, on the canvas, in your booklet, you can find a discount code all over the place to save you some money. And you can earn points with Diamond Art Club. That's the cool thing. Purchases earn you points. There's special things like your birthday you can get points for. And then your points, you can save those up and get money off on your paintings. That's a pretty cool deal. All right, here is the sticker sheet. Cape Cod Afternoon by Chuck Pinson. Look at that sea. Looks a little stormy, doesn't it? I get a stormy feel with that, don't you? Start and end date you can put there if you want. Here's all of your information at the bottom, your sizes. Here are our individually cut stickers to put on your containers. Okay, just look at the colors of the symbols. Look at H and 4. And then look over here at N and J. The teals in this water and boat are going to be gorgeous. There are 45 colors. They got some interesting symbols in this one. We got some with interesting backgrounds. I don't know what they look like on the canvas, but that's what they look like here. Interesting. All right. And then AB drills is anything under 150. So it looks like we have 3 of them. 141, which is white. Yes, hopefully in these waves, I hope. 125 is, I don't know what color that's going to be. It looks like a very pretty blue. And 103, we'll have to check those out and see what those are. Nice. Isn't it going to be beautiful though? Are you ready to see it? Are you ready to see it? Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, before we do that, hang on. Before we show you the whole enchilada, let's look at the drill field. Look at that. Perfectly clear. Perfectly clear. Nice symbols. Let's get into some stormy waters here, some rough waters. No, they're not rough. They're just, you know. Look at that. Okay, down here's your information. Over here, we have all the details on the painting, size, artist, etc., etc. R for round, AB drills. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Wow. All right. So, first question you may ask, where's the boat? Where's the boat? Right? Okay. So, the boat is here. All right. Here are the windows of the boat, and this is the boat here. This is like the buoy floaty thing hanging off the boat there. The boat kind of blends into the water here, but that's because the drills aren't on this canvas. All right. You will notice a lot of times with a round drill, the symbols aren't the color of the drills. They're just not. Like you can see some of the blue here, but this whole entire boat is like a green, right? So all of this here is going to be green, and these symbols here are reds. Okay, so it's making the boat not pop out. That happens with a round drill canvas. I don't know why they're different, why they're so different, the rounds and the squares, but they are. So this one looks like faded and things don't show up as well until you put those drills down, okay? Like you can see the ducks. There's 2, well, they're not ducks, they're seagulls, sorry. Those are seagulls. Okay, so they're going to be whites, probably grays. We have another seagull. He's flying up here. He's in here somewhere, right here, I think is the seagull. We have a dock. You know, you have to have your dock to get down to the water, to get to your boat. And there's a path. You can see the path. That's pretty clear. And then all of these flowers on the side of the bank. It's beautiful. There's some more birds up in the sky. Now those show up pretty well. And then of course the house. It's a very simple house. Very, very simple house. And 2 Adirondack chairs there to just sit there and look out the water. There's a little fence running through here. You can see that pretty well. So just don't be confused when you see a round drill painting like this and it doesn't look distinct like it does with a square. Squares, the printed canvas just shows the picture a lot better than a round canvas does. But trust me, you put drills on this and all of this stuff is going to just pop right out. Let me just, remember this is supposed to be a green boat, right? So we have this little alien symbol here. Let me see if I can find the little alien dude. Look, it's going to be green. But because the alien, oh, these are both boat colors right here. They're both boat colors. And you see that the symbols are like, that's purple and red. And it makes it look purple and red here instead of the green that the drill is going to actually be. Okay? So there you go. Just a little education on round drills. I have noticed the symbols don't match the colors of the drills. where in a square painting, they match a lot better. Therefore, the picture, the image shows up better. Okay, I'm done talking about it. Anyhow, it's going to be beautiful. I'm going to love all these colors through here. I hope there's some AB in those. I think there might be. Let's check out the drills and let's see what we have. Has the name right on it, Cape Cod Afternoon, so you can't get these confused with any other paintings drills. These are very cool colors, warm colors, I don't know. Look, subdued colors, I don't know. Not super bright. Whatever we call that. Okay, let's see what we have. Big bag of this tan color. Here comes the blues. We're going to have a ton of them. 2 bags of this one. 2 bags for this one. Some more of the tan, a gray, and a whole, wow, right here. In the big bag of goodies, we have the 141, the white AB, a whole bunch of them. Do you see the colors popping off there? They look pink to me right now. Look very pink to me. Pink, yellow, purple colors. Aurora Borealis, why I call it AB, Aurora Borealis, has an iridescent coating on them. And look at the colors just pop off that. Super shiny, super pretty. And then we have a green. All right. That was the big bags. All right. What else do we have? $37.99, which is a gray. A light gray. Okay, look at that. Look at that color. Oh, my goodness. Look how beautiful that is. A brown. $9.39. Okay, look at this. Oh, this is that like mint color. Can you tell it's kind of minty colored? That's super pretty. All right, I think that's the number 2. That's cool. More grays and browns, tans, mints, lots and lots of blues and grays. Lots of blues and grays. I mean, the whole sky is like blue and gray. So, all right, let's keep going. Okay, now we're gonna get some flower colors in here. Some gold, some greens for the grass. Oh, look at this. It's a pretty orangey red. 103 is an orangey red AB. Yeah, that's gotta go in the flowers. Maybe the chimney, but flowers for sure. Yes, yes. Okay. Some more teals. These are beautiful colors. Bunch of tans and creams. A little bit of that one. A little bit of that one. A little bit of that one. Okay. Wow. That's going to be beautiful. Those colors. Wow. Okay. All right. Let's see where the ABs go. All right. Let's start small. Let's start small. Let's go with the ones, which is that orange color. Yep. There's a few in the chimney of the house. Yay. And then in the flowers. Ones, 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 ones. Do, 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 do. All this little orange you see is the orange AB. Perfect. I love ABs in the flowers and the plants. Love it. Because I think the sun, you know, the sun is there somewhere, just reflects on flowers and plants and gives them a little shimmer. And so I love to use ABs in the flowers. So they've got it. Perfect. Where are the twos? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay, well, let's start down here. There's a few down here in the water. Just a few right there. And then where else? Looking for twos. 2, 2, 2s. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2s. Where are they? Where are they? Okay, I'm going to the sky because I'm not seeing anywhere else. Twos. Yes. Okay, twos. Twos are in the sky, in the clouds. They kind of just, they make little patterns through here. There's a cluster here, kind of comes up this way. They're just kind of everywhere in, you know, yes. Here, they make little patterns. They're mixed with other things, but they just have the twos like sprinkled in little sections throughout. There's some here, some here. Okay, they're just all throughout the sky. That's perfect. All throughout the sky are the twos. And that is that like really light minty looking color. Okay. Where do the ones go? Well, the ones are white. So where do you think the ones go? Right. We have ones. Hang on. Where did I see them? Where are all those ones? No, it's 3. I'm sorry. The white is 3. That's where I'm confused. Sorry. The whites are 3. So in the house. House, 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 house. 3s in the house. All right. We got a lot of white. Where else? I'm thinking I've missed some probably up here in the sky. Yes. Yep. There are 3s here in the sky. There are 3s over here. 3s and 2s. Okay, that's what they've done in a lot of places. The 3 and the 2s are blended up in the sky. So you'll have that white and the off-white minty color mixed throughout. The 3s and the 2s are up in the sky. Nice. Nice. That will be so pretty. So, so pretty. Who loves this? I mean, I know a lot of people do. And I know there's a lot of people who asked about this one. And here it is, guys. Here it is. All right. It's going to be so much fun to do. Beautiful. Nice job. Okay. Don't forget, tomorrow, 12 if you're on the West Coast, 9 if you're on the East Coast, and wherever you fall in between, you'll get your notice if you're a diamond or ruby. And if you're not, then 30 minutes later, they save back for the general public. Okay? All right. Thanks, everybody, for watching this. And I hope you love it. I hope you rush over to get yourself one because it's a beauty. I love the size of this one, too. It's perfect. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. See you guys.